Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to count rows in Excel with filter. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have some student data with the total marks and the rank column. So here I'm going to count the rank. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and use the count a function and select the range of data and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Total 17 rank in this data. But if you filter this data, suppose I filter this data, I select a cell, use the shortcut key Shift Control L to apply the filter. Then I filter here the sum rank. So I just click on the filters icon and select the first rank and click on OK. So there are three students in the first ranks here showing. But in this count is not changed. For that, I remove this filter again Shift Control L and remove this count day formula and use the is equal to and use here the subtotal formula and select here the function numbers 3 is a count A. You can just enter here the 3 also. I just select this count A and use the comma and then select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Now here you can see the 17. Now I apply the filter on this data and select the rank number 1 and here you can see the changes. Okay, the in the rank number 1 is total 3 students available. Okay, so you can use the subtotal to get the correct data with filter. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.